beautiful application gamma.app, right? Not built by me, right? It is just for demonstrative purposes. That just to give you an idea that these kind of wonderful applications, whether it is web-based application, mobile applications, so these can be created using the power of Gen AI, right? So if you see here, we can create a lot of things here. Objective is to give you a perspective that what is possible using generative AI, right? So these are some of the PPTs or documents which I have created. Let me just zoom in a little more. Generative AI core concept and all those things. And I can create a new PPT or whatever, right? So let me, so here create presentation. What I do, what I want to create, whether it is presentation, I want to create document, web page, what I want to create out of it. So let us say I want to create. So write an essay on generative AI in 100 words, right? So generate outline. So this is it. It has generated outline. Introduction to generative AI. So these are the points, right? So this is how we can create the application. So this the one which I just talked about in my previous slide, right? So this is the I am acting it here as a beginner, but the person who has created this application is an expert, right? So this is the monetization part of Gen AI. You can say that, right? Someone has created an application, and they have been earning some money also out of it. So now